it doesn't really directly measure any of that. A better way to look at it, especially now, it's where investors trade bets on how much money companies will make in the future. And so it's a bit of an oversimplification, but that's it. And another thing to know is that the S&P 500, which is what everyone points to when they say that the market is up, only tracks about 500 companies out of the 30 million businesses in America. So really, it's again talking about a very thin slice of the actual economy. If you don't believe me, this also isn't the first time that the stock market is telling a completely different story while reality is telling another. And every time it's happened before, it's ended up the same way. I'm sure a lot of you have
What, where we have an economic crash and everybody goes broke?
heard about the roaring 20s. And
I don't know. I think that's why, like, we're kicking the can, because we don't want to have another Great Depression era. I don't think it'll get to that point in the U.S. in, like, modern day. You know, it's not the 1930s anymore. I think there would be people that would step in. But it is getting to a point where, like, the average person, the average American is fucking broke. And not even just, like, living paycheck to paycheck. Living paycheck to paycheck while at the same time, like, taking out debt to try and fucking pay the rest of the bills they have for the week.